Bhagwan, earlier I heard you saying that the four aspects of creation, maintenance, destruction, and delusion are independent of the God's will, and it's not God's will.
No.
They happen
Independent
independently.
of your support.
Your support. But only the liberation.
I need your will to support me.
Why it is like that? Sir?
See, basically, till you are put in delusion, you don't have a delusion, you have a will. Now, because of the delusion, you develop a delusional will which need to support me to get into the real, pure will. Delusional will means just saying no to everything, tantrum throwing child. Actually, why it is called delusional will, you don't have your own reason to say no. Just because he said yes, I am saying no. That's what is called delusional will. So in delusion, the fourth state, you develop a delusional will where you needed your delusional will to support, cooperate to reach the fifth stage.
Means for the delusion itself, when it happened irrespective of my own will.
I should say, you decided to move to US for various conscious reasons. But after going there, you discover which you did not expect also has come to you. Like a parking ticket or the speeding ticket. In India, you don't have that problem at all. So what I am saying, you went there for some purpose, but something which you did not expect has come. Then you are caught in that corner. When you are cornered in that situation, what you feel about you and think about you, why am I having this problem? That is where you understand the blind spots which you accumulated due to the decisions which you took for certain reasons. When you take decisions for certain reasons, you lose freedom of certain things, and the last freedom gathers as a blind spot. That is what I call delusion.
So forgetting the
Yes. See, you took the decision of coming to US for this. And so you are only responsible for the speeding ticket, parking ticket system also. You can't say, I will earn in dollar, but I will not pay the parking ticket, speeding ticket, because that is not there in the tradition as India. Then you earn in Indian rupee. Be here. Nobody pays tax here. Only 1% of the country pays tax in this country. I don't know whether you know or not, but that is the truth. And 90% of the Indians tax. Why? No, only 1% of the India pays tax. I don't know how many of you are aware. There's actual statistics as per government. So understand, the decisions you take accumulate certain blind spots. And when you are not able to handle the blind spots, it is called delusion. If you know why you have voted for what you have voted, you will not have blind spot, one. Second, even if there are some difficulties, you will take responsibility for it because you voted for it. But forgetting why you voted for what you voted is delusion. Clear?
Thank you.